Okay, folks, what we got here is a 2017 CR-V EXL. Okay, so we're going to start from the beginning in this one here. You'll notice a very unique difference as well. It's a Hawkeye style, more of a square type way for the actual headlights. Again, create better visibility for you as well. On the side here, you'll notice it's right in between is your turn signal indicator right here, and breakaway mirrors as well for any tight spaces or alleyways. Not only that, privacy glass in the back definitely helps in the summertime for any children, passengers in the back as well too. I'm going to show you the room to this CR-V. You're definitely going to be amazed at how many grocery bags you can possibly get in the trunk. Okay, folks, show you a little bit about the back here again. Let's start from the top on this one here. Again, you have the protective shield. When you have your groceries in there, especially for the sun, it will definitely help with your produce. You'll notice a lot of room. That way you can put any type of groceries, things of that sort as well when you're lugging. You can go right underneath. That's a full-size spare. Make this even better, guys. Again, this is a CR-V EXL with a power tailgate. Let's go in the back here. You'll notice not only the two cup holders, but look at the immense amount of space that you would have for all passengers in the back and a lot of leg room. There's a lot of great amenities inside this vehicle as well. These are not only will you have a backup camera, your economy mode, hands-free calling. Not only that, heated seats, dual climate control. I'm talking it has everything. You definitely want to come see this one. Okay, folks, this here is a finishing touches to this 2017 CR-V EXL, an amazing all-wheel drive vehicle from Honda. And here I'm at Delaney Honda right now, right across the street from Walmart. The number to reach me is 724-717-1500. The address, 115 Lenz Rd, Indiana, PA. I am looking forward to seeing you and your family sometime soon to come down, take a test drive in this 2017 all-wheel drive Honda CR-V EXL. My name is Mike, and I hope to see you soon.